whole thing happened one day. I cracked my phone and I went to get it fixed, and the guy literally fixed my phone in like 5 minutes and cost me like $300 to get it fixed. And I was like, wow. Than me sitting at my desk job. So then I started thinking of become an entrepreneur, how I could have a business. Before I started wholesale with Accelerate, I used a small trial with like a different company and everything backwards. It was just a complete mess. Like you were asking questions, you were waiting a couple of days, not like hours, couple of days just to get answers, and you'd go for calls and people wouldn't be there on time. But with Marketplace Superhero, I did the PL side and everything went well. My partner and I, we started with a PL business, so we were able to launch a product there, and Marketplace Superhero was super helpful. And we also had coaching, and because of that coaching experience, we decided to hop on Accelerate to have other coaching. And my coach is Raheem, so Raheem is doing a fantastic job. I love the program. I feel it's really well built. The videos are really nicely done. You can understand, and I love how they give you homework and then you listen to videos and then they kind of break it down for you so it doesn't seem overwhelming. We have like our in-house tool with Hero Launchpad. It helps big time when we're looking at other products. And then you have calls where you can ask people questions. Now, I would say my goal is to be able to get that first product before the 1 year anniversary, I like to call it. And I know Q4 is starting really soon, so I'm doing my best to work as hard as I can every day so I can get there. And long term, I would really like to see this take my 9 to 5 as I work for the government. And so I really enjoy the Accelerate program, and I feel that anyone doing wholesale should definitely think about getting that extra help.